Welcome back, Darien Wiffle League fans. Today we have the American League Championship Series, the ALCS. We have two great teams facing off today. We have the Dodgers, led by Austin Kippett and Jack Cunningham. Matthew Fisher also playing for them today. We have the Eastern Elephants, captained by Sam Donnelly, Theo Natives, and Richie Almy also playing the team today. So Sam, what are your keys to victory today?
Keys to victory: hitting Austin, throwing a lot of strikes today because we have very limited pitches today. And another key to the game is getting 6 runs off Matthew.
All right, guys. The star of the American League Divisional Series, Theo Natives, had a walk-off in both games 1 and 3 to lead his team to the victory in the 3-game series because Turkey scores. So Theo, what was going through your mind on that third walk-off home run?
I mean, Jack Conway. I was getting close on all of his pitches, finally connected. Spanish is always the key to victory. That's really all I have to say.
No great words there.
All I got to say is Sam can hit today. We got a chance. Otherwise, series is over.
I have to say I agree with that. Sam did have a great performance last game, going 1 for 17 from the plate, but hopefully he can turn it around today. I'm here with captain of the Downtown Dodgers, Austin Kippett. This team has taken a first-round bye. They lost with the #1 seed in the American League. His last series was about a month ago against the Slayers when they swept them. So Austin, what are your keys to victory?
Keys to the game are obviously hitting Sam. It's always a big key. And honestly, just to have good team play. Be all is one. That's really our main key.
All right. Game 1 of the ALCS starts now. Dodgers versus Elephants. 1-2 pitch on the way. Strike 3. Foul play. Pitch on the way.
Yeah.
Strike 3. Good take, Richie! All 4, Sam walks. Ball 4 as Theo gets on. That's the strike 3 there inside. Right. Strike there from Sam Donnelly. He's coming out dealing that. Walks 1 batter. He's strike at the end. Theo Natives works off the wall. Richie takes ball 4. You're not on this right. You're good. All 4. Oh. Speed up, rather. Oh, all 4. No, that wasn't gonna hit. All 4. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Would have been a strike no matter what. Strike 3. Yep. Bottom.
It wasn't a home run.
No, he's like a big double.
It's like a triple.
Strike 3. Yeah, if you don't have your vaccine card,
Go back.
Oh boy.
That's literally how the only way I can get it in frame. Strike 3. Very close.
Take that!
Alright, if we get the last out, the same probably.
Sam can literally play by him.
Guys, let's go!
Let's go.
And the Eastern Elephants take game 1. And Sam is amped.
Oh, 4. JC, I'm just giving them time.
What if he throws a no-hitter?
Oh, did not get him on the peg.
Safe at first.
Okay.
Safe at third. Out at second.
That one.
And Austin is safe at
That was a dumb move.
He has not hit the strike zone yet.
Exactly what I wanted.
Oh,
And Richie makes the catch. 3 out for Theo. Oh, 3.
you never see it come back to orbit. Nice swing there. You're a boss.
Two pitch on its way. And Sam takes right down the middle.
Sam, you're gonna let this team. Look how much fight is in this team, bro. Oh. Sam, look how much fight. Yeah, it didn't open the right way.
And a home run.
Sam, you're 6'8". Rob that.
You got another one of those?
This is my last one. I just can't open it though. Can I use your?
And that is double.
The house?
Well, anyone lives there, Sam?
Who's living in the house? The house? The casa? Born in 1960.
There you go, buddy.
Foul ball.
If I was Braden, I would be like, "Oh, his own teammate said it." Okay, it's gonna be out of the park. Yep, there we go. Rob that, Theo. All right, that's the ending.
It landed like on the butt.
Is this the top of the third?
Theo knows a thing or two about bushes.
Alright, guys, give it.
You're gone. You're gone. Come on, kid, you can do it.
Oh, good take there.
That's a fair ball.
That was so foul.
Oh my.
Run it out. Well, my ball was.
Yeah.
I don't know why you didn't.
I gotta do that to Braden next year.
Look at Hinterman running those out. What a tough player.
Strike three.
That's three.
That's
Fair.
a home run. That is fair. That is fair.
That's foul.
That is fair. That is fair.
That's the game. Dodgers win.
Shit on the show.
Theo, you really should have been on.
Go! He's so fast.
Yep. He's out.
And that's the game.
Let's go!
That's that.
Yard!
Game.
Get going!
Chicago, yeah, no. Gone. Inning.
That's literally where Sam's was. Believe it at the door.
We would have gone.
That's throwing the battery.
Foul tip it in the zone.
Strike three. That was it, you call that a strike?
What?
I have tape on like every zone.
Into pitch on its way.
This is the World Series matchup here. To send them to the World Series, Braden style.